Hello, welcome to Photoshop 101 course demo. Today we'll learn some skills on how to create the Photoshop demo flyer that I sent out. So today is just a presentation on me showing you how this all works, how Photoshop works, the tools I'm using, just so that you know what you're getting into for the next 4 weeks. My name is Kimberly Pagan and I'll be teaching the course for the next 4 weeks. If you decide to come on board. We'll learn some awesome things. Photoshop can do a whole lot. The things that you can do in Photoshop are unlimited. If you can imagine it, you can do it. So with Photoshop, you will need some creativity. You'll need some patience. You'll also need to be a tad bit technical, but anything can be learned in this course. I'm willing to take the time out to show you all how this very powerful tool works, and I'll take the time, whether it be during class, after class, on your time or whatever, to kind of show you the ropes and help you through this. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to stop me and ask at any time. I am in Villa 242, so I'm available once again. Like I said, if you have any questions after you leave the demo, if you choose to take the class, if you have any questions on what you learned in class, I'm willing to discuss that with you and take the time out to do that. So, as you're watching the screen above, you see my little black arrow. It'll be moving and showing you everything that I'm pointing to, every tool that I'm using. It'll show you, and we're going to go ahead and jump right in and get started.